Hello and welcome to my video on core training for rock climbing. My name is Ben Woodman, and this is an experiment on using core training to try to improve my climbing performance. So the purpose of this project is to try to get better at some of the more difficult climbs by strengthening my core muscles. So I'm going to attempt to do some core exercises and see if that helps improve my performance in the climbing gym. So these exercises are going to include leg raises, ring rollouts, and more of a core focus during my rock climbing. So leg raises are pretty simple. You just hold onto this bar and then raise your knees, and that exercises the abs. And then ring rollouts, you use these little rings that hang from a bar, and then you push forward on them and tension your core that way. And then during climbing, one of the ways to work on your core is to maintain more tension with the wall and really focus on those muscles as you climb. So I'm going to do these, or I have done these 2 to 3 times per week over the last month, and here are the results. So the way I validated if this was working was to track my completion rate of certain difficult climbs. So as you can see this chart in the top right, there's a sort of a scale of how hard these climbs are. And on the red and yellow tags, I tracked how many of them I had done versus how many of them I was able to do. So, for example, on the first week with red tags, I had tried 12 of them, but only 8 of them were feasible for me. So that's 66% completion rate. So I did this for each week of each of these 2 categories. And as you can see, my red tag completion rate went up, and my yellow tag completion rate kind of stayed the same. There's really only a change in 2 tags completed in week 3. So that data is a bit coarse and not super accurate, but the red tag completion rate gives a more clear picture that this is actually working. So yeah, as a sort of takeaway here, it is definitely possible to get stronger in climbing from core exercises, as I saw just in this 1 month. And generally, I also feel just better at keeping my body tension against the wall, even just after a few weeks of training that. So I'm going to continue working on this and observe the results of further exercise. And it's nice that this only takes like 10-15 minutes after climbing to do at the gym I currently go to. So I'll probably keep doing it, and hopefully I see more improvement. Yeah, here's some more resources if anyone's interested. These are just some links to articles about how to train properly. There's also some YouTube videos out there that are very helpful and go over a lot of these exercises. So yeah, thank you for watching.